Hello friends, welcome back to Knowledge World channel. Today we will learn basics of Microsoft Excel for the beginner. I just opened new Microsoft Excel sheet. So my Excel sheet mainly used to store, organize, analyze data, also graphical representation. So you can see here the typical Excel sheet look like. On top left side corner you can see MS Office button. You can see here different options available, and next is near to that you can see quick access toolbar. So here save, undo, redo buttons. Below you can see tab bars, home, insert, page layout, etc. So if you click on each tab bar you can see different ribbons. I am showing just different ribbons here. So next comes to worksheet, or it is called as working area. So below the working area you can see sheet tab or worksheet. So you can see here sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3. So you can insert new sheet also by clicking here. You can insert new sheet. You can observe the sheet 4. This is brief look on the Excel sheet. So you'll see one by one, and I will explain you one by one how to use Excel sheet. Let's see how to zoom in and zoom out Excel sheet. So you can see here minus button and plus button. So if you press minus button it will zoom out, and press plus button it will zoom in. Or press control button in keyboard and scroll the mouse up and down, you can zoom in and zoom out. So I just clicked here. You can see different options available. So new page, open, start, save, and different options, save as. So I will just click on open. You can see here you can open different Excel sheet here by clicking location. You can select any Excel sheet and you can just open Excel sheet. So this is one of the option. I'll just cancel it, and you can see save button. I can just save, means it will ask where you want to save, which is the location you want to save. So I'll just type here file name. So working sheet. I just typed here and I am selecting the location. So I selected desktop. So there I want to save. I will just click on save. It is saved in desktop. So again one more option, save as. Here you can save this file in different location also. Save. So I don't want to save here. So these are the different options available in MS Office button. Next you can see quick access bar. So here you can see save option or undo, redo options also available. If you just go there and click, your file will be saved automatically. So or else you can select Ctrl plus S in the keyboard also. Below the quick access toolbar you can see tab bars. So here home, insert, page layout, formula, data, review, views, etc. So I just clicked on home tab bar. You can see the different ribbon below. See insert, page layout. So you can see the different ribbons there. Next is main area, that is worksheet area. Here we are entering data, editing data. Below you can observe sheet tab. So here you can see sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3, sheet 4. By just clicking here you can observe, you can insert sheets there, or by right clicking you can delete the sheets also. You can rename the sheets also. Just I will try and rename the sheet 1 as part 1. So I can edit here sheet names. sheet 1, sheet 2 will be remaining same. Coming to worksheet area, it mainly consists of rows and columns. So you can see here row column A, B, C, D in alphabetic order. So columns will be represented in alphabetical order and rows are represented in numerical. You can see 1 2 3 4, that this 1 2 3 4 are rows. I'm just selecting there, clicking, you can observe there these all are rows. I hope you understood rows and columns. So next will coming to cells. So I'll just click here. This is called as cell, active cell. All these boxes you can observe, this is called as cells. You can move active cells by clicking arrow marks in the keyboard or enter button to move downwards, or tab button, you can use tab button also to move forward. You can see the movement of the active cell. So again I am showing, this is column in alphabetic order and this is the row in numerical order. Now I am going to select one cell and I will type here India, INDIA. So I just typed, selected the active cell and typed India. You can see here I am selected one more, there also I am typing India. So these are the cell, you just click on the cell and you can type anything you want to type. Okay friends, we will see how to cut, copy, paste the words. Before that we will see the box name. So for example, it is an active cell, you want to, it is a D column and 6th row. You can see in name box it is written as D6, D column and 6th row. So I just select, you can see here E column and 6th row, it is mentioned in name box. So this is the name box. Every time if you click in different area or different cell, you can observe name box representing the current row and columns where it is. Now I selected active cell and just pressed cut option. So then I selected where I want to paste. So just you can see there it is pasted in different cell. For example, I want to copy this in another cell. I'll select copy and I'll select where I want to copy, then click paste. So I hope you understood how to copy and paste words. Okay, now let us see how to change the cell color or how to fill the different color in the cell. So for example, I want to show how to use format painter. Before that I will show how to fill the color. You can see here fill color option available in font ribbon. So we just selected yellow color and I make it bolder. So I will select text color as red. Okay, you can see here this is a font color, text color. So you can change different colors by selecting there. So now I'll see how to use format painter. I've just selected I'm just going to select format painter. Just selected which one I want to format. So that all properties copied to another cell. You can see there. Color also, filled color, also text color also copied. So that is a format painter. So it will copy all properties the cell. So I will just undo. You can see there it's a redo option and undo option. So it will go to previous step, undo, redo, it will move to forward step. So you can see that is the font option I am seeing here. This is the font style. So you have available different style here. Font style you want, you can select. Arial black I selected. You can see changes in the font. So different options available in this, and you can see Arial option. One more is font size. So here you can change the font size. So you can see I selected 36. Font size has been changed. So this is the font size option here. One more, you can increase the font size by clicking there. I can see, or decrease by clicking that smaller one. Decrease font size and increase font size. So this is the bold option. Italicize, you can change the text style to italicize. You can make bolder. So I'm just increasing the font size. Here is underline. You can see single underline and double underline. So you can take bold italicize option by clicking in keyboard also. Control B means your word will become bolder. Control I means word will become italicized. Control U means it will be underlined automatically by using keyboard also. So you can see how undo and redo option will work here. So one more is alignment. So for example, I have different cell size here. For example, I am increasing the row size. I am increasing the row height here. You can see by just dragging up and down, you can increase and decreasing the row height. So I'm just selecting India, and I can increase column height width also. Here in alignment option, you can see you can align text top, center and bottom, or left, right and center side. So you can see here just selecting, I'm moving right, center and left side. So or you can rotate the text also. So just I rotated vertical text, or some angle you want, you can rotate it into different angle also. So I will undo it. One more option is there, merge cell. So you have different two cells, you can merge it into single cell. So you can see here I just merged into single cell, then I am unmerged. So one more option is wrap text. For example, I will write is India is my country. So it is not fit in the single cell. So you can see it is coming out from the single cell. So what I will do, I will just click on wrap text. It is fit into single cell. By dragging, you can see by dragging cursors, you can adjust the height of the cell. You can see here, you can adjust the height of cell and width of the cell like this. Okay, one more option will be available. Just right click and row height. You can enter the value, and for that value you can set the height of the you have option in column also. So just type their values and you can adjust the row height. One more thing is how to insert rows and columns. So you can see here, I will just type some words here. So we'll see how to insert rows and columns. So I have here words India. So I will type books or book, table, so for example I want to insert column. I will just right click, insert. So left side column will be inserted. So if you want to insert column towards left side, you will just right click on insert column. Or you want to insert row, you can insert, right click, insert. Rows will be inserted on the top side. Insert. So you can observe how to insert. Select 3 rows, right click, delete. So I deleted all items. So now we will see how to draw a table. Now I am going to write a table. So I will show how to write monthly expenses. So I am selecting months in row, different row, Jan, February, March and April. So each column I have written month and each row I'm just writing items, grocery, vegetables, so that is electricity and water bill. Next one is house rent. Next, transportation. So first I will align in the single cell. So what I will do, I will select, double click on the column, so it is automatically filled in single cell. You can see there, and I will select all the items and just click on borders. So they are all borders. So you can see border is created. So now I align the words into center. So for example I am writing now monthly wise expenses. So I'm just filling color. Just filling color into the cell. So I'm changing text color now. Just select a red color. So if you want, you can make it bolder. Okay, so now I'll just write January month grocery expenses, February month, March and April. So this is my grocery expenses for the month of Jan, Feb, March and April. So next is vegetable expenses monthly wise. Next is electric and water bill. So I am just typing here. Next, house rent. Transportation. You can select different cell by using arrow buttons or tab buttons for the moment. So now I'll make it total. I will select all numbers, so all will be in currency. So I will just select number in currency. Different options available here: general, number, currency, accounting. So it is currency, so I just selected. You can see there it is in the Indian currency. So I want to do total now. So what is the option? We have different option to do total. For example, now it is cell text are not fitted into the cell. So what I will do, I will just select and double click, so cell will be automatically fitted, or words will be fitted inside the cell automatically. So now I want to show the sum. You can see there auto sum. Just click on auto sum, selected cell total you will get in that box. Okay, so one more option is there, so equal to, so whichever cell total you want, you just select it. This one plus this one plus this one plus this one, enter. So you got total of the 4 months expense. Or one more option is there, sum is equal to bracket. So select first column, first cell, full column, and select last one, last cell, bracket close, enter. So you can use different format to make sum. You can observe there bottom side sum is highlighted at the bottom side. You can see there sum. Otherwise I will just made it as you can see there plus point, just drag bottom side, just drag it, so it will be automatically calculated. All cell will be automatically calculated. So just fill borders. So this is how to example how to draw table and how to calculate the sum. So I will just write monthly expense, monthly expenses. So if you want to, just I will select merge cell and I will merge the cells and in a single cell. Thick border, so you can see there, and I will make it bold. Font style I changed. If you want you can color also. So this is how to write, or you can insert cell. You can see there, insert rows. Selecting and pressing Ctrl and plus symbol together, So column also you can insert directly by pressing Ctrl and plus button in the keyboard, or minus button to delete the rows or column. Now see how we are going to print the sheet. So we'll go to page breakup preview. So I just selected page breakup preview. You can see now page breakup, just drag and fit into the page 1 or single page. So now it is adjusted to single page. Press Ctrl P in keyboard, or just click on office button. You can see option print. You can select printer here. So preview. So this is how print will look. Okay, I want to adjust page, means I will select page setup. So fit into the page landscape. So it is in portrait mode. I will select landscape. Okay. So now it is in single page. Now you want header and footer to be printed. So I will select page setup, header and footer option. Click on that. Customize custom header. So I want to write file name in top. So what I'll do, that file name is worksheet. So I'll just select that file here. You can see here file and file. That is the file name. So I'll click OK. So worksheet. So you can see there and file. Okay. So it is, you can say there file name worksheet is visible in the sheet. Again I will go to page setup. I will go to footer now, custom footer. So I want to put page number here. So I will select page. So insert page number and page of, this is number of pages, okay, and page of, and page. So for example 1 of 2, 2 of 2, it will show like that. So press OK. Okay, you can see there 1 of 1, page 1 of 1. Okay, now you can print.